More Somalis live in Minnesota than any other state in the country. But now some are leaving the country altogether, heading to Canada because they fear deportation. But is that fear founded? We talked with an official from Immigration and Customs Enforcement. He told us starting in October of 2016 until now, 398 Somalis were returned to Africa from the U.S. That compares to 198 for the entire previous fiscal year. While President Trump was in office for part of the spike, the ICE official told us it is not clear the Trump administration's policies are solely behind that increase. But what is clear is the fear driving many Somalis to a sometimes risky route up north. Carol Evans' Carla Holt has been following this story starting back in April, unfolding all along the Canadian border.
This is the track that came down.
In a part of Canada that clings to the cold.
Anyways, this is where we found these people.
Our neighbors to the north navigate the world's new political terrain.
And this is all full of snow, so we had trouble getting in.
As a firefighter in the border town of Emerson, Doug Johnston sees the dangers of this brutal landscape.
It was deadly cold out.
And its toll on those who've just arrived.
They would have been in dire straits. There were 17 Somalians in there with an 18-month-old child and mother and a pregnant mother.
It's a story told all along the Canadian border, people risking their lives avoiding the official border crossing. Once the refugees are found in fields, woods, or along streets, they're driven to Canadian cities, where organizations help them find shelter and apply for refugee status. It's a trip more than 3,400 have made from January through May alone.
It's the human aspect of it. It's not the numbers, it's the human aspect.
Rita Chahal may not speak of statistics, but in a building bustling with newcomers from around the world.
Affectionately known as Welcome Place.
Her organization's work in Winnipeg never seems to end.
At the heart of it all is this real, very deep fear. Fear for their life, fear for persecution, whether it's in their home country or the United States.
It's this notion our neighbors say they struggle to understand.
Never anticipated the idea of people fleeing the United States to come to Canada. And we realize it's not the United States they're fleeing, but what they're fleeing is being sent home to their own country.
But Major Rob Kerr of the Salvation Army pauses only briefly before feeding more mouths and finding more beds.
Majority would be from Somalia.
Originally from that East African country, many of the Somalis in Canada now recently called Minnesota home.
Right now it's very bad place, America.
Including one man who wished not to be identified.
I'm trying to save myself and my kids.
And another willing to share his story and show his face.
A lot of fight and war.
At only 28 years old, Abdi Rahman has already survived a lifetime of loss.
I don't know what is going to happen, but I just only think I know they may kill me.
First fleeing Somalia, then staying in South Africa, before finding a home with family, 3 brothers, a sister, a mom, in Minnesota. A home.
I was worried about when are they going to come.
Now no longer open, he feels, to him.
They say they're going to deport us back, so that's the reason we don't want to live in there no more.
Hi, Mommy.
Halima's journey also started in Somalia, continued in Cairo, and ended, she thought, in Rochester, Minnesota 6 years ago. It was here she had her daughter, now 18 months old, whose picture and name, along with her own, she's afraid to share.
So my biggest fear is that the family will have been separated. My own child would not have been allowed to go with me, and I could have been picked up at any moment, at any time.
Fear found Halima boarding a bus with her baby, then catching a taxi to near the border, where she would get out and start walking. Hope guiding her way.
We're hoping that we can have a better opportunity, better life, and take care of my daughter.
It's pretty tough.
Doug remembers the day a different child needed help.
It's a child. It needs protection.
And whether reviewing a map of lines or a land of borders.
On the other side of that boundary avenue is the United States of America.
Doug feels the divisions in his country between those who want to give refuge and those who want to build walls. This is uncharted territory for Canadians and refugees, and those who believe where one nation ends, a new life begins.
Shortly after a trip north, officials reported a woman from Ghana died during her journey from the U.S. to Canada. I should note an agreement between the two countries means that if they go through the official crossing, they'll be sent back to the country where they first arrived. That is why, Julie, they are choosing the more dangerous route.
All right. Thank you so much, Carla.